Extras is where you can create design like videos, gigs for free. So you can just open express.adobe.com, and then you need to register to the Adobe Express. You can use your Google account, Apple ID, or also Facebook and email. After you register, you can just click on the plus icon to start, and this will be open. Go to the quick actions in here, and you can scroll down until you find the animate characters option. So click on this. Okay, so now you can just decide or choose your character, background, and also size. In here, you can just choose the character that you want. You can explore in here by scrolling down, and there are lots of characters that you can choose for your animations. So, for example, in here, I'm going to just use, let's use Calvin. After you decide on your character, you can change the background and also adjust the size. Okay, let's change the background. Click on the background tab, and in here you can upload your own image. You can also change the characters. Let's say I'm going to just change it into classroom. You can also change the size or the aspect ratio if you want to update to your Instagram. I suggest you to choose the square. But if you want to upload it to your stories or reels or maybe TikTok, you can use this one 9 by 16. So it depends on your need. So after that, you can just record your characters dialogue if you want to, and download it as MP3, IEF, WAV, and also MP4 files. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.